Oof. It's good inside though. Hello, welcome back. We're still here at the Incheon yard where we'll show you some of the vehicles we have available. Now, it doesn't take much to notice that this car has seen better days. It's not in the best shape, but what is interesting of this car that it was sold in Auctionwini. Now, this is a 2022 Volkswagen Tiguan Pack, and it was sold on Auctionwini for $8,000. And we're talking about a car that is around $40,000 to $50,000 worth in the retail right now for shape. But even though this car has seen some accident, as you see here is damaged, the engine is still working, and the inside, there are many pieces on the inside that are still working perfectly fine. So people who buy this type of vehicles have three things in mind, which is repair, restoration, or salvage. Now, in most cases, this one, for example, is going to Netherlands, to Rotterdam, where the owner of this vehicle is mostly gonna grab this vehicle, take the pieces that are most useful, and see how he can implement it to a restoration of the same vehicle or different model. But also, the profit is still there. We're talking about a car that is way more in terms of profit, and he will probably make a more out of it with this type of vehicle in Auctionwini. So come here and take a look how this car could possibly be if it's done right.